Today I'll be showing you how to rewrap these flowers from the market. I got them from Costco, but you can get them from Trader Joe's. And basically I got a bundle of roses and I want to rewrap them to make them fancier. And it'll be perfect for Valentine's Day, and you can try this at home. You could also do the same thing with paper roses, and I just had a tutorial for that, so you can check that out as well. And there it is, it's much fancier now. So you guys could try this at home for Valentine's Day. And I also did a single stem rose for you. It's such an easy way to turn a single stem bouquet into something a little bit fancier.